What's up, guys? So today we're gonna be starting to prep the 280 for so we can pull the motor out. So right now we're gonna start draining the oil, draining all the fluids in the car, and pretty much taking out everything that's unnecessary, and pretty much just starting to get it ready to pull the motor out, pretty much, and also getting it prepped for paint. So today is kind of like a prep video for those two things, because we do want to build the bottom end for the motor. So when we start getting it more power, the more power, baby, we gotta, doing a media reference, but we gotta make sure that the bottom end can handle all that power before we smack it on the track, and so we don't lose the motor, But it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be kind of like a time-lapse video, and just me grabbing the camera and picking it up and showing around what needs to be done, what we have to get done, So we're gonna get to that. I'm waiting for my brother and my friend Al. So they're gonna be here soon. They just went to the store to pick some stuff up, and we're gonna get right to it. But other than that, hopefully you enjoy the video, and if you do, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't yet, and share the video with your friends, please. Alrighty, well, we're gonna get this started, so peace. I'm fucking retard. Alright, guys, so before I start the time lapse and stuff, I was working on it. I just want to show you the motor right now. As you can see, it's very messy. So we're gonna hope while we pull the motor out, clean it up a lot, especially unnecessary stuff, anything that's unnecessary. Just make the motor more simpler, because a lot of the stuff we're not going to need, especially when we'll get it on the track. But yeah, that's the motor. That's the original inline 6. We're going to stick with the original inline 6 for now. If we do blow this motor, we might go with something else, but for now we want to kind of keep it original, keep this the L26. I'm probably gonna sound retarded. I think it was the L26. But yeah, this is the original motor. So we're gonna crank this bad boy, hopefully up to at least 300 horse once we get everything that we need on it, without the turbo. We are gonna turbocharge it, but for now it's just we're gonna get all this stuff out, all the electrical, all the stuff that needs to be taken out, so when we get the motor pulled out, we pretty much just have the block and nothing else. And we're gonna take the hood off. We've already started with the interior, but we're pretty much gonna strip out all the electrical on the car, and anything that needs to be stripped out, like these linings and stuff, especially for up here, because we think it has rust. So we don't know if it's rusting through the metal or if it's just this surface up here. So we're gonna be trying to figure that out. So hopefully it's just up here, and we just have to get it sandblasted and probably redid a little bit. But that's our main concern for the car. Other than that, the rest of the car is pretty good. But we can't wait to get it painted. We already have a color chosen out. My brother has a color chosen out for it. And then for the wheels, we're gonna get converted to a 5 lug, and these are the original wheels too. So we're probably gonna clean them up and then mount them up or something. I don't know, sell them. I don't know. Not 100% sure yet. But that's the plan for now. It's just to get all of this out as much as we can. So probably next week we'll end up actually pulling the motor out. But yeah. Yeah. We'll figure it out. But we started at what time? 5? What time is it right now? Like, my phone's right there. 7:45. We've done 2 hours. All we have done is drain the oil, take the hood off, and the air filter. And we found out that it didn't even have a filter inside the air filter. This shit was empty as hell, dog. Alright, hold on. So, as you can see, that's where the air filter was. We're trying to take the AC condenser out, and we're having a problem over here with some lines and shit. And we're not even close to getting this car ready to be pulled out with a motor. But yeah, we just got the hood, drain the oil. We're trying to drain the radiator. We need to drain this to
AC condenser.
the AC condenser. And it's been a rough time. But little by little, we're getting stuff done. Anything to add up?
This is the biggest pain.
Yeah, well, I don't think we're gonna finish tonight. Probably gonna go at it for like another hour or 2 or hour and a half. I don't know. And we're probably gonna continue tomorrow because we're taking everything out. We're taking the wire harness. We're taking all the bullshit that's in there, pretty much. And yeah, but we're gonna get back to it. This shit sucks, man. This shit fucking sucks.
Got it.
I'm so stupid, dude.
Wow.
I was recording the whole time, but I didn't have the mic on.
Nice clip, bro.
But
Audio's still on.
no, the audio's on now. But what I was saying was, I was saying that we feel accomplished today. We did quite a bit, actually.
We're below average Joes.
We're below average shows, that's
Yeah,
right.
we are.
But other than that, we got this whole, pretty much the front done. Now we're gonna move over here and get this,
Always behave it.
remove all this, and then remove all this behemoth of bullshit. There's a line. We found a line that just sitting there like that. We're finding some stupid shit on this car.
More and more problems.
Yeah, but good thing we're gonna pull it out. Good thing we're gonna condense a lot of it.
Take care of it.
Yeah, we're gonna take care of it, clean her up.
What is this even for?
I don't know, dude.
There's just empty holes back here.
It goes to like this weird thing over here. I have no clue.
That's probably why it's so dirty right here.
Probably, yeah. It has a lot of stuff that we're wondering why the hell it's in here. There's just so much things, like there's all of this for an AC. I'm pretty sure that one's the fuel filter, the back one. This for the AC and shit. I don't even know what that's for. I think that's more fuel stuff. It looks like, yeah, fuel tank. It's the fuel tank. That's another thing, we have to drain the fuel. We have to drain the fuel.
Oh my gosh.
That's alright. I think we're done for tonight. We did quite a bit. We're gonna let everything drain out properly. Just, I mean, you can hear. Maybe you can hear it. Just a little drip. But I don't think I'm gonna be able to fit this in one video, huh? Maybe I'll see one of the footage. I mean, I have the GoPro back there recording the time lapse that you're gonna see of us fucking struggling half of the time or figuring shit out.
Yep.
But
I'm waiting for the big wrench.
yeah. But we'll see. We'll see. I mean, so much you can do in one day, right?
Yeah.
Alrighty. Well, I'll see you guys later.